Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Wishing Well puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majeric and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely amazing quality. Wishing Well is not a regular packing puzzle, since if you take a closer look at all parts, you will see that there are three parts that are made of maple. They have white color. And there is one part that is made of dark wood, and what's interesting, you can't remove this part. It comes with the frame, and that's make this puzzle very difficult to solve. It requires 21 steps to fit all three parts inside the frame and 21 steps to remove all the parts. And what is interesting, that it takes 7 steps to remove first piece, 6 steps to remove second piece, and 8 steps to remove piece number 3. So it takes more steps to remove the last piece than the first piece. That is pretty unusual. If you like Wishing Well puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. There are a lot of different ways how you can assemble all three parts, but only one assembling leads to the correct solution, when all the parts are going to be inside below the dark color part, and the dark color part is going to be in this position. So what is going to be the shape of three parts? It's going to be following. So the piece that looks like this is going to be on the left. The piece, this one, is going to be right here in the middle, and the last piece, it's going to be right here, so that it's going to be the shape of three parts which you have to fit inside. And now I will show you how to put all three parts inside the frame. We will start with the piece that is in the middle. You have to move the piece number 4 on the side, put this piece inside the frame and all the way to the back. Now move this dark color piece, and here is the tricky part. You have to move the white color piece up and to the right. It goes straight into this hole on the right side of the frame. So next piece which you can put inside is going to be this one. You have to put the dark color piece all the way to the right, fit the piece here inside and put it down. That is the final position of this piece. And now you have to fit the last piece. It's going to be this one. To do it, first you have to move the piece that is on the back to the left, and it will go down. Now move this dark color piece to the side, grab the last white color piece and put it inside this way. Now grab the piece on the back, move it up one step, and now we will be able to move this piece inside, and both pieces will go down and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, we've been able to fit all three parts inside, and you can put the dark color part in any place you want. And to remove all parts from the puzzle, you have to do exactly the same steps, but backwards. First, we will start with the piece that is on the back. You have to move it up. Then you have to move up the piece that is on the front part of the frame, and this piece you have to move one step to the front. It is pretty difficult to do, so I have to flip the box to make it a little bit easier. So that's how you do it. And this piece on the right is supposed to go to the front, but it is not easy to do now. Okay, I'll keep it here for now, and I'll try to move it to the front part. Yeah, that's it. That was pretty tricky to do. Okay, now you can move the piece number 4 to the side and remove this piece. So now, as you remember, we have to remove the piece that is on the left. To do it, you have to grab the piece on the back, move it up, and move all the way to the right inside this cutout on the frame. Now you can grab the piece on the left, move it up and remove from the frame. And now the easiest part is to remove the third piece. So let's try to count number of steps. So it's going to be, first step was to move this part. 1, 2, 3. I have to move the white piece to the front. 4. I have to move this back. 5. White piece goes up. 6 to the front. And 7 goes out. So probably I've missed one step somewhere, but it takes 8 steps to remove this piece from the box. So that was the solution of Wishing Well puzzle. As you can see, pretty complicated solution, especially the trickiest part is this piece, which you have to put inside and stick out through one of the openings on the side of the frame. If you like Wishing Well puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Alexander Majorich or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.